Welcome, Hornets, and thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to be taking a look at the trapezoidal Riemann sum for an integral based off of the values in a table. Now you'll notice they're not telling me how many Riemann sums to make, so we have to use every value in the table given. Please take a moment and just take a screenshot for those of you who do not have this worksheet. Alrighty. So we're going to zoom in on number 10, and we're going to go ahead and do it, keeping in mind that we are talking about using all of the values in the given table. So that means that I have to go from 0 to 3, which is a gap of 3. 3 to 4 is 1. 4 to 6 is 2. 6 to 7 is 1. 7 to 8 is 1. And 8 to 9 is 1. We're now going to take our average of the values. Now I'm going to put my 1/2 and factor it out so that I have 3/2 times 2 plus 4 plus 1/2, 4 plus 2, plus 2/2, 2 plus 4, plus 1/2, 4 plus 3, plus 1/2, 3 plus 2, plus 1/2 of 2 plus 4. Now, because I have moved my fraction out, I can easily add and then divide by 2 and multiply. You'll notice that I'm going to get a value of 9, and then I'm going to add a 3, plus a 6, plus 7/2, plus 5/2, and then 1/2 of 6 is 3 again. Now these are adding up to give me 12/2 is 6, and I can clearly see that I have 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18, plus 9 makes 27. And that is my trapezoidal Riemann sum approximation based off of the chart given. Let's go ahead and take a look at number 12 and do it again. We have a gap of 2, gap of 1, gap of 1, gap of 1, gap of 1, gap of 1. So 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 6 plus 4, 1/2 multiplied by 4 plus 2, 1/2, 2 plus 4, plus 1/2, 4 plus 2, plus 1/2, 2 plus 3, plus 1/2, 3 plus 5. That's going to give me 10 plus 1/2 of 6 is 3, 1/2 of 6 is 3, 1/2 of 6 is 3, 1/2 of 5 is 5/2, plus an additional 1/2 of 8 is 4. And we'll just double check. Looks good. So I have 19 plus 4 is 23, 24, 25, and 1/2 for 25.5 is my answer. This brings us to number 14. Let's take a look at 14. We're going to follow the same basic steps. We want to start by finding the gap, then take the average of the heights, pulling that 1/2 outside. So we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1. 1/2, 3 plus 4, plus 1/2, 4 plus 3, plus 1/2, 3 plus 2, plus 1/2, 2 plus 3, plus 5 times 3 plus 2, plus 1/2, 2 plus 4. This is going to give me 7/2 plus 7/2 plus 5 halves plus 5 halves plus, hang on, let's make sure I've got that. That's 5 over 2. So 5 halves times 5 is 25 halves. And then we have 6 halves. Now I've kept it in terms of halves so that I could add it all together. 25 plus 5 is 30, plus 5 is 35, plus 14 is 49, plus 6 is 55 halves. 55 halves would give me approximately 27.5. And that would be my answer. Finally, we're looking at number 16. Trapezoidal method. Gap of 1, gap of 1, gap of 2, gap of 1, gap of 2, gap of 1. 1/2 times 2 plus 4 plus 1/2 4 plus 6 plus 2 halves 6 plus 5 plus 1/2 5 plus 3 plus 2 halves 3 plus 2 plus 1/2 2 plus 3. I'm now going to have to add it all together. 1/2 of 6, so 6 halves, plus 10 halves, plus 11, and this is going to give me 22 halves, plus 8 halves, plus 10 halves, plus 5 halves. And now I will add them all up again. So we have 30, 40, 50, 61 halves. And 61 divided by 2 is 30.5 as my answer. And there we go. These were my even problems working with the trapezoidal Riemann sum. And I was doing it by hand, so I do recommend you go back through and double check my math as I was just doing it on my off the cuff. Hope this has been helpful. If you liked it, please remember to click like. If not, please remember to give me constructive criticism. That's a lot better than just clicking dislike, okay? Let me know how I can improve and improve my methods. Have a great day, take care, and be safe. Thank you very much, Hornets. Cheers.